Nature never stops surprising us. From incredible bird skills to unbelievable animal moments, today's clips will leave you amazed. So watch till the end, and let's see what nature has in store for us.
Morning chats with peacocks.
What's that?
Poor little parrot wanted to enjoy dipping a biscuit into tea, but sadly, while trying to dip it, the biscuit slipped away and got lost.
Где твоя печенька?
Look how quickly this parrot removed the coconut lid and drank the water. It would have taken a human much longer just to open that lid.
Yeah, well done.
What do you think? Let me know in the comments.
Oh my god.
No.
What would your mommy blow raspberries on your belly? Tina? Do you like them?
This is possible because it is a domesticated animal. With proper training, a pet can learn to do many things, but it takes a long time and a lot of patience to train them.
Good girl.
1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna.
What an amazing sight. Look how skillfully this little bird uses its tiny feet to catch its prey and get its food. Wait until you see the next clip. It's even more amazing.
Huh? Bruh.
After satisfying their hunger, these American birds walk around happily, but it almost looks like they're dancing with joy.
Magic.
Bye. Bye. Ooh,
Some people may think this is AI, but no, it's real. Some pigeons can actually perform tricks like this. Before watching the next clip, please give the video a like.
Oh my god!
Is the bird dancing after seeing the people, or are the people dancing after seeing the bird? Can you figure it out? If you can, let me know your opinion in the comments.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, then grow.
They're trying to turn the bird 360 degrees, but although the bird allows its body to turn, it keeps control of its own head. What an incredible ability! At first glance, anyone might think this is a species of snake. But the truth is, it's actually a beautiful species of flying bird. Before watching the next clip, please subscribe to the channel. When it comes to building homes, these birds may be more capable than humans in some ways. They can build beautiful nests using only their 2 feet and beaks, without anyone else's help. Watching this crow walk, who did it remind you of? Comment below and tell us who you think can walk like this. Let's see how many of you can guess correctly. There's a saying that being big doesn't automatically make you a police officer. In the same way, despite having a large beak, this bird was forced to leave after accepting defeat so easily. I never realized how beautiful a bird could look after revealing the beauty it was hiding. This bird is truly stunning.
He's gonna do it again. That's funny.
At first, it was difficult to understand what was happening. But later, we realized that the bird was trying to stop the car to protect its home and its precious eggs. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe.
Good girl, Baba.
To make itself look more beautiful, this bird uses its beak to cut pieces of paper and attach them to its body. It seemed like this is something the bird truly enjoys.
Oh my God!
The mother bird's responsibility is to take care of the babies and protect them from different dangers, while the father bird's job is to bring food directly to their mouths. What a beautiful family system! Watching these parrots play reminds me of my childhood. When we were young, my friends and I used to sit on palm leaves like this and pull each other around. The incredibly fast movements of this little group of birds are truly amazing. Do you know what these birds are called? If you do, let us know in the comments so everyone can learn. If this snake were real instead of a toy, it would probably fight back and try to protect itself from the attack.
Huh?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Among all bird species, the weaver bird is famous for creating some of the most beautifully designed nests. People even like to hang these nests in their homes as decorations.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
No, watch out! This is hilarious.
What a beautiful bird! Its body shape is just as beautiful as its colors. The interesting thing is that these birds often bathe after eating, almost as if they want to stay clean and fresh.
This guy does not like him.
These birds live in extremely cold and snowy environments. In such cold weather, the moisture from their breath can quickly turn into visible vapor as they breathe through their mouths and noses.
Magic.
Seeing these birds sitting with their backs turned to each other makes it look like they have an argument or have split into two groups. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.
Aspirations, I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation.
Okay, sweet. Shut up.
Oh,
Did
nice.
you guys just see that?
Wow, teaching how to fly. Oh my god.
Stella.
These birds are known as the masters of the sea and sky. They can fly at incredible speeds and dive deep into the ocean to catch their prey. Isn't that amazing?
Oh my god.
Some people may think this is AI, but it's not. These insects naturally travel together in groups when moving from one place to another, creating a fascinating sight. It looks like these pigeons are domesticated pets following their owner and trying to communicate something. If you enjoy videos like this, we would be happy if you subscribe to our channel.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
These birds have incredibly powerful beaks, allowing them to peck and carve into tree wood to create their homes. Sometimes, however, snakes even take over their nests. Although these birds have wings that may remind you of a peacock, they actually belong to a completely different species. Their wings look almost like those of a flying snake, while their body resembles that of a mynah bird. What an incredibly beautiful parrot. It almost looks like a flower eating another flower. We spend a lot of effort collecting these amazing videos, so please subscribe to our channel. Nests built in multiple layers with a canopy-like structure beside them. What an amazing sight! But do you know what these birds are called? If you know, let us know in the comments so everyone can learn. Which clip surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy these amazing moments, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible wildlife videos. See you in the next one.